Welcome to today's session on social control in sociology, designed especially for B.Sc Nursing students. Let's explore how society influences behavior, maintains order, and shapes our professional conduct as future nurses. First, what is social control? Social control refers to the ways society regulates individual and group behavior to ensure conformity and stability. Ogburn and Nimkoff define it as the pattern of pressure society exerts to maintain order. Landis describes it as a process that builds and maintains social organization. In simple terms, it's how society keeps us aligned with shared values and expectations. Why is social control important in nursing? In healthcare settings, social control ensures ethical behavior, teamwork, and respect for protocols. It helps nurses maintain professionalism, follow legal guidelines, and deliver compassionate care. Now, let's look at the aims of social control. According to Kimball Young, the aim is to bring about conformity, solidarity, and continuity. This means encouraging individuals to follow norms, work together, and preserve social harmony. In nursing, this translates to consistent care, ethical practice, and collaboration among healthcare teams. Next, we'll explore the means of social control. These are the tools society uses to influence behavior. They can be formal or informal. Formal means include law, such as the Hindu Marriage Act or the Children Act. Education, which corrects wrong beliefs and builds social attitudes. Coercion, the use of force or authority to maintain order. Informal means include customs and traditions passed down through generations. Religion, which provides moral guidance and social norms. Folkways and mores, socially approved behaviors and taboos. Ideologies, belief systems that shape values. Suggestions, indirect influence through media or role models. Art and literature, expressing societal values and critiquing deviance. Humor and satire, reinforcing norms by mocking inappropriate behavior. Public opinion, collective judgment that influences individual choices. Now, let's look at the types of social control. Social control can be positive or negative. Positive control uses rewards, praise, and appreciation to encourage good behavior. Negative control uses punishment, restraint, or intimidation to discourage deviance. It can also be exploitative or constructive. Exploitative control suppresses individuals for the benefit of a few. Constructive control promotes education, equality, and legal fairness. In nursing, understanding these types helps us navigate patient care, professional boundaries, and ethical dilemmas. For example, positive reinforcement can motivate a team, while constructive feedback helps improve performance. To summarize, social control is essential for maintaining order, promoting ethical behavior, and ensuring cooperation in society and healthcare. As future nurses, being aware of these concepts helps us deliver better care and uphold professional standards. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more nursing content. Stay curious, stay kind, and keep learning.